Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a template from Capcut. Open Capcut, tap Templates, pick a template, then tap Apply to start editing right away. Trim clips, change text, swap music, and adjust colors to match your style. Use keyframes for motion and export at your desired resolution. I'll walk you through each step clearly and keep things simple so you can edit confidently. Let's dive in together. Begin by replacing placeholder clips with your footage and photos to keep the template cohesive. Trim each clip to fit the template timing, and use split to remove unwanted portions. Add speed changes or keyframes for smooth motion and natural transitions. Swap the template music for your track and adjust volume levels to balance voice and music. Preview often and make small tweaks until the timing feels right and the flow is smooth. Focus on clear text hierarchy and readable sizes when editing titles and captions in the template. Tweak effect strength and color grading to fit the mood, but avoid overdoing filters so footage stays natural. Add overlays or stickers only where they support the story, and test legibility on small screens. Save a version backup before major edits and use undo if needed. These small choices lift a template from generic to distinctly yours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.